Here we have a Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite with damaged screen. We will be replacing it at Eagle Tech. This kind of job quick, usually take like half an hour. No appointment required. 15 North 6th Street in Allentown. So here, as we working on the Samsung S6 Lite screen replacement, now we took off the damaged one. We're just cleaning the edges from any old glasses. Then after that we will be installing the brand new screen. Alright. Here we are with the iPad S6 Lite we fixed earlier. Put a new screen already. Everything's good to go. Again, Eagle Tech, no appointment required. You can come anytime. Most of repair done same day, 1 hour or less. Thank you.